Nothing is really impossible if you put your mind to it. After all, as I once said, I was the future once. Other than one meeting this afternoon with Her Majesty the Queen, the diary for the rest of my day is remarkably light.
So I'd also like him to pass on my thanks to his mum for her advice about ties and suits and songs.
I have to say I'm beginning to admire his tenacity. He is reminding me of the Black Knight in Monty Python's Holy Grail. He's been kicked so many times, but he says, keep going, it's only a flesh wound. I admire that.
The Home Secretary, again, she said, many people find themselves exploited by unscrupulous bosses. I can't imagine who she's referring to.
When it comes to women Prime Ministers, I'm very pleased to be able to say pretty soon it's going to be 2-0. The last thing I'd say is that you can achieve a lot of things in politics. You can get a lot of things done. And that, in the end, the public service, the national interest, that is what it's all about. Nothing is really impossible if you put your mind to it. After all, as I once said, I was the future once.